the leopard is nature's master of stealth. From the dense rainforests of Asia to the sun-scorched savannas of Africa, this solitary cat reigns in the shadows. Unlike lions or cheetahs, leopards walk alone. They are elusive predators, skilled in the art of ambush. With powerful limbs and unmatched agility, a leopard can leap over 6 meters in a single bound and haul prey twice its weight up into the trees, away from scavengers, away from danger. A leopard's day begins at dusk. As the sun dips below the horizon, its golden coat, patterned with rosettes, blends seamlessly into the underbrush. With patience and precision, it stalks its prey, often just meters away. One sudden burst, and the hunt is over. Leopards are not just hunters. They are survivors. Adaptable and intelligent, they thrive in environments where other big cats struggle. From snow-covered mountains to arid deserts, the leopard endures. But life is never easy. Cubs must learn quickly how to climb, how to stalk, how to disappear. Many won't survive their first year. Yet those who do carry the instincts of generations before them. Despite their strength and cunning, leopards face their greatest threat from us: habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Their numbers are shrinking, their range disappearing. Still, the leopard remains a symbol of resilience. A ghost in the wild. A shadow among trees. A reminder that even the most elusive creatures need our protection. This is the life of a leopard, stealthy, solitary, and spectacular.